Hey, if you've been looking for top quality solo ad traffic and you actually want to know the best practices when it comes to sending traffic and the best practices to be able to get the highest results possible, then stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to share with you how we actually do it in this process. And I'm going to share with you this turnkey residual income system that you're looking at that allows you to make 80% of every dollar that comes back to you, right? So basically, this link is going to be in the second link below this video. So if you go to the second link below this video, you're going to see this page. And what this page allows you to do is we verify every email that comes through this page. So basically anybody sending traffic to this page or getting traffic in any kind of way, we make sure your emails are legit. And so this way you have clean emails, you have a clean email list, you make sure they're real people, because a lot of times when people buy any kind of traffic, they're getting not so good traffic, or they're getting people that aren't responding, they're getting low open rates, right? If all this sounds familiar to you, then you need a system like this to be able to maximize your results and make sure you're getting good leads into your funnel, right? So that's what this is going to allow you to do. And we send out emails on your behalf, right? So this way they're coded to you, they come from our server, right? So this way we make sure that your emails will land in the inbox and not go to spam. Because if you just buy a domain to send out emails with email marketing, your domain is brand new, right? So when you set it up, you had to set up DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records, and then your domain is brand new, so it doesn't have any age to it. And when your domain doesn't have any age to it, what tends to happen is your emails will land in the spam box, and you wonder why people aren't seeing your emails, or you're wondering why your emails are going to spam. That's exactly one of the reasons why, because you don't have an age domain that's has history behind it, right? So you want to have an age domain when you're sending out emails, and we have that all done for you. You don't have to send out emails on your own. We already created the emails for you. We send out your links so you don't have to worry about all that stuff, and are coded to you, so we help you to make sales in that way, right? So if you've been looking for a system that will help you to do that, this is the one. So when you put your name and email in, what's going to happen is you're going to get a guide that shows you how to build out systems for your offers the right way. And it tells you the importance of email marketing and how to actually do it for the best results possible. So you're going to want to get your hands on that guide, and you could do that when you get into this page, right? So when you put your name and email in, you're going to actually get that guide. And the purpose is to have something that's ready to go, because as somebody who sells traffic, I realize that most people's main problems is they're not very techy, and they get overwhelmed with tech, right? So when you have to set up DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records, and you don't know how to do that, you have to pay somebody to do that, right? So with this system, you don't have to worry about doing that at all, right? So if you're using this, we verify the emails, we make sure your DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records are set up. We send out the emails on your behalf, and then you have all the people who have opened already, right? So we make sure you only get the openers to your list, which is very important, because you don't want to be sending emails to people in your Aweber or GetResponse or whatever email service provider you're using that aren't opening your emails. Because what happens when you have a bunch of leads and they're not opening is it actually hurts your domain reputation, which tells the email service provider, hey, I don't want to hear from so and so, right? So I'm not going to open her emails, right? And it tells people that they don't want to hear from you, right? So what you want to actually be doing is making sure that you're only sending emails to the people who actually want to hear from you, right? And that'll save you from getting spam complaints. That'll save you from getting low open rates. That'll increase your open rate a ton. And this is the reason why you would want to use our system, because it will help you to get better results, right? And your open rates will go up because of it, and you'll probably tend to make more sales. So you can see more about that in the description of this video, right? And if you want to go and get traffic, I would suggest going over to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and there's going to be a link in the description of the video for this as well. This is my traffic store, and why you should get traffic from me is because I want to make sure you get targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and I want to make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent. And most importantly, you have to make sure that the sources that you're getting traffic from are quality sources, high quality. You don't want to just order traffic from anybody. And I know that because I was $87,000 in debt just trying to test stuff out, and you don't want to be there, right? So before I ever had any success, I had to get out of debt, right? And it was from doing things that I would just hear other people telling me to do. In YouTube, I used YouTube as my mentor, which it didn't work out very good, right? So you don't want to do that, right? And the reason why you should get traffic from me is because I help you to manage and set up your funnel and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages. So your clients, my clients have as high as 85% opt-in rate. And, I can help you to increase your opt-in rate, make sure you're getting all clean leads into your funnel, and make sure that you're actually making sales and getting responses from those leads. Because a lot of times people who buy traffic get a lot of traffic from junk sources, and they're worried about it like, hey, I don't know why these leads aren't even opening or aren't even talking or whatever the case is, right? So they get onto your list, and a lot of times it's junk, right? So that's what you want to be careful of. And I want to help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates. So you need to know where every single lead is coming from and the traffic source, and actually how to track it, right? And then I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? So how we do this is we do this in 3 simple steps. Is step 1, you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the traffic package that works best for you. Step 2 is we do a campaign review. So I look over your campaign and I give you the best advice possible to be able to get the highest results possible. So it's a campaign review and a strategy call as well. So I'll give you a plan of what you can actually do in your marketing to increase your results, to be able to make more money, to be able to get more leads, and to be able to make more sales, right? That's very important. So we do that. And then step 3 is we launch your campaign. So when you order a traffic package, you have the option to book a call with me. That's where we do the campaign review and the strategy call. And then traffic will start after we do that call, right? So that's typically how it works. Here's some of the results that you can see other people have got. 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate, in 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. There's plenty of other ones that you're going to want to take a look at. Here's a 90% tier 1 traffic. Here's 100% tier 1 traffic. And you want to make sure you get a good amount of traffic as well. If you get 100 clicks, let's just say you get 100 clicks and you don't know how your page is converting. If you get a 50% opt-in rate, that's like at the best that you can probably expect, unless you talk to me about increasing your opt-in rate. If you get a 50% opt-in rate, that's only 50 people on your email list, and chances of you making a sale from that are going to be very slim. But if you do make a sale from it, it's probably only going to be about 1 sale, and it's really not going to be a lot as far as the sale goes, right? So you want to get enough traffic to make it even worth it. And if you have any questions, your questions are going to be answered down here. So take a look down here to see if your questions are down here. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, real people who really want what you have to offer. And if you have any questions, you could leave your questions down here. You could also leave them under this video. I will answer every comment that I have on the video, and I will get back to you. Also, you can write me a message on Facebook. There's a link to my Facebook group below this video as well, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And if you want to reach out to me on Facebook, you can do that as well. Also, there's going to be a link to this traffic store below. And if you want to know more about systems, make sure you click on the second link below this video. It will take you to the page that I showed you. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.